To my surprise, this morning I checked my Galaxy Watch after all those big announcements by Google last night, and basically all that is coming to Wear OS, right? Well, I couldn't believe it. All is moving fast and I love it. We usually have to wait forever. Okay, to be fair, WhatsApp is not developed by Google, it's developed by WhatsApp, obviously. But hang on, Google announced the full official version coming in a few weeks. First and foremost, go and update your recent WhatsApp installation via your Google Play Store. Please do this now. Once done, you will see that you now have 2 dedicated WhatsApp tiles available in case you are a heavy WhatsApp user like me. The first one is your regular conversation, meaning all of your messages that are included in your chat, like pictures, voice, text messages, emojis. You get my drift here, and that's tile number 1. However, you now have an additional dedicated tile also available for your voice messages only in case that is what you're using most of the time, like I do. To fix your notification issue you may encounter with the latest WhatsApp installation, go to your wearable app, advanced notification settings, toggle on notifications for new apps. This may be off by default. However, here's the trick of all trades. If all fails, please go to your chat on your WhatsApp chat on your Galaxy Watch, the watch itself, and go into people in this conversation, unmute this chat. For some reason, this is turned on by default, meaning your conversation is muted by default, and once turned off, I turned it off. It fixed my notification issues I had with WhatsApp. Let me know if this works for you. I hope I earned your subscription today. As always, it was a pleasure. Peace out.